How to begin an online business as a complete beginner. Starting an online business can feel like stepping into the unknown. Questions like, what should I sell? Where do I even begin? Might be swirling around in your mind, and trust me, I have been there. When I started, I was completely lost. No experience, no tech skills, and definitely no clue where to begin. But I found my way, and today I'm here to help you take that first step towards building your online business with confidence. And spoiler alert, it's much easier than you might think if you have the right tools. Let me show you how starting with done-for-you products can save you time, simplify the process, and set you up for success. Hi, I'm Madeleine. A few years ago, I was in your shoes, wanting to start an online business, but feeling overwhelmed by where to begin. Back then, I had no idea how to create digital products, market myself, or even what a sales funnel was. Fast forward to today, and I'm running a successful digital business, earning passive income and helping others do the same. My journey started when I discovered done-for-you digital products. And let me tell you, it was a total game changer. I am proof that you don't need to be a tech whiz or even have a huge following to make this work. You just need the right starting point. So let's dive into it. Step number 1, choosing your business model. The first step is to decide what type of online business you want to start. There are lots of options out there. But if you're new, selling digital done-for-you products is the easiest and most profitable choice. And here's why. No inventory to manage or store. High profit margins. Sell the same product over and over. Completely scalable, even if you start small. When I began, I chose digital products because I needed something simple, affordable, and easy to manage. And honestly, it has been the best decision I have ever made. Now, step number 2, starting with the done-for-you products. Here is the secret to getting started quickly and confidently. Use done-for-you products. These are pre-made digital resources like templates, ebooks, and guides that you can sell as your own when they have master resale rights. This means not creating anything from scratch and no stressing over any design. Using done-for-you products helped me skip months of trial and error. Instead of struggling to create my own products, I was able to focus on setting up my shop and making sales right away. With done-for-you products, you can save time and energy, start selling immediately, earn 100% profits from each sale. Now, step number 3 is setting up your shop. Once you have your products, it's time to set up your digital storefront. And no, you do not need to be tech savvy to do this. Here is what worked for me. Use a platform to host your shop. I used Systeme.io, which made it super easy. Have a sales funnel to guide your customers through the buying process. And have payment options like PayPal or Stripe to make the transactions simple. With the right tools, setting up your shop is straightforward and you don't need to spend hours figuring this out. Step number 4 is promoting your products. Now this is the fun part. Sharing your shop with the world. Social media became my best friend when I started. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok made it super easy to showcase my products and connect with my audience. Here is a few tips. Post consistently to stay visible. Share engaging content like reels and behind-the-scenes stories. Always include a call to action like DM me for details or comment ready to learn more. Now, this is where I spill the tea on my ultimate business hack. It is called The Vault. Now, what is The Vault? The Vault is an all-in-one platform that gives you instant access to library of done-for-you digital products. I wish something like this existed when I started. It would have saved me so much time and stress. Here is why I love The Vault. As in the beginner package, it has 25k worth of products. From templates to ebooks and AI prompts, everything is ready to sell. It is perfect for beginners. You don't need any tech skills and no problem, it's a plug and play system. 100% profit margins. Sell these products as your own and keep every single penny. Plus, the Vault includes pre-built funnels and resources to make setting up your shop a breeze. It's seriously the easiest way to start your online business. How do you get started, you might wonder? Well, sign up for Access, unlock a library of ready-to-sell digital products. Pick your niche, tailor your offerings to match your audience interests, and set up your shop. Use tools provided to create a professional storefront and start selling. Focus on marketing and watch the sales roll in. So if you've been waiting for a sign to start your online business, this is it. Starting with done for you products is the easiest and smartest way to get going, especially if you're just a beginner. And with platforms like the Vault, you have everything you need to launch your business today. No tech skills, no stress, just results. If you're curious about the Vault, comment start and I'll share how it can help you get started. If I can do it, so can you. Let's build something amazing together. You have an amazing day.